Good afternoon, Rutledge Rockstars. I am coming to you really quickly with a video to provide a tutorial for what you guys need to be prepared for tomorrow. So parents, this one isn't for you. If you're watching this one, go and get your kiddo because they need to watch this so that they're prepared for tomorrow. Our assessment will be on an informational text tomorrow, and we will be concentrating specifically on using the RACE strategy to produce a constructed response. So, as you are all aware, we start with a text, and this is an informational text. And today, the title of our text is Water, Water Everywhere. So what we are teaching our students to do is to go ahead and preview the question. So I am going to see if I can switch views really quickly. I don't know if it'll let me do that, but I don't think it will. Oh wait, it might. Hold on.